By the end of this video, you will know exactly whether you qualify for Germany's opportunity card. And if you do qualify, I'm going to walk you through every step you need to apply. No confusion, no missing information. Let's go. Quick info. My name is Victoria. I am a Nigerian. I've lived in the UK for 3 years and now currently living in Germany. I created this channel to document everything about life in Germany. The visa, the language, the money, the culture, everything in between, so that your journey will be easier than mine was. I've made a video about opportunity card. Maybe after this you can watch it later. But this video is purely practical. Requirements, checklists, and application steps. Let's get into it. So just a quick recap for everyone new. The Germany's opportunity card, the Chancenkarte, is a visa that lets you come to Germany up to 1 year to look for a skilled job. You do not need a job offer before you arrive. This is the whole point. It was introduced in 2024 as part of Germany's Skilled Immigration Act because Germany has a shortage of skilled workers. The opportunity card is a way of Germany opening their doors, but the door has a lock and the key is meeting the requirements. So let's go into it one by one. Requirement number 1, you must be under 45 years old at the time of application. The next one, this is a big one, and this is the one most people don't check properly. You need a recognized qualification, either a university degree or a vocational training qualification that Germany officially recognizes. Here is the important part. Not every degree from every country is officially recognized by Germany. You may need to go through a recognized process first. This can take time, sometimes several months. So this is one you need to check early. To check if your qualification is recognized, you need a database called ANABIN. It is run by German government. You can also use the tools on the Make It in Germany websites. I will put both links in the description. Now there is a points-based option. If your qualification is not fully recognized, you may still qualify by collecting points from a combination of factors: language skills, work experience, Germany connections, and age. This is the most flexible route. Requirement number 3, money. Germany needs to know that you can support yourself while you are still searching for a job, while you are job hunting. They are not going to let you arrive and struggle financially. The standard requirement is block accounts. This simply means you having enough money to cover your stay. As at 2026, the amount is around 1,027 euros per month. So for a full 1 year opportunity card, you need approximately 12,324 euros in your block account. A block account means the money is locked. You can only withdraw a certain amount monthly. This protects you and Germany. Banks like Fintiba, Coraco, Deutsche Bank offers block accounts specifically for this purpose. Alternatively, if you already have a concrete job offer in Germany, you may be able to use that instead of a block account. Requirement number 4, health insurance. Germany requires that everyone living in Germany must have a valid health insurance. For the opportunity card, you need to have health insurance coverage at least for the duration of your stay. Once you start working, you will switch to statutory German health insurance. Requirement 5. This one is short. You may not have any criminal conviction. Germany will do background check as part of their visa process. You may also need to provide police clearance certificate from the country in which you are living for the past 6 months. Now, what if you don't fully meet the requirements? There's a point-based alternative that gives you more flexibility. You need to score at least 6 points from the following category: German language skill, at least B1 and above, 1 point. English language skill, at least C1 level or above, 1 point. Close family member legally living in Germany, 1 point. Completed vocational training or study in Germany, 2 points. Under 35 years old, 1 point. For example, if you have B1 German, work experience in Germany, and you are under 35 years old, that is already 3 points. Combined with partially recognized certification and you may reach the threshold. So you've checked the requirements and you qualify. Here is the exact list of documents that you need to apply at the German embassy or consulate in your country. Valid passports, completed visa application form, recent biometrics passport photo, proof of recognized qualification, proof of finances, which is your block account, proof of health insurance coverage, police clearance certificates, CV in German format, proof of accommodation in Germany. If you have it, it is not always required. Valid application fee payment. Currently, it is 75 euros. Now, let's go through the actual application step. Check your eligibility. Use the Make It in Germany tools online. Be honest with yourself about whether you meet the requirements. Step 2, get your qualification recognized if needed. Start the process as early as possible. Use the Anabin database to check your qualification status first. Arrange your insurance documents. Get a policy that covers your full stay in Germany. Gather all your documents. Use the checklist that I've already listed above. Book your visa application at the German embassy or consulate in your home country. Wait time can be long in some countries. It takes several weeks or even months. It is advisable to start early. Attend your appointments. Bring all your original documents and copies. Pay the 75 euros fee. It is usually by card or cash. Step 8. Wait for your visa decision. Processing time varies from typically 4 to 12 weeks, depending on the country in which you are doing the application. Once approved, congratulations. Book your flights and arrange your accommodation in Germany. When you arrive, register at the local city office within 2 weeks. This is called Emedong and everything else. I also made a video about this. You can check it below, how to register for your Emedong when you first arrive. Your bank accounts, your insurance, your job search, everything else depends on it. And that is your complete guide. Every requirement, the document and every step of the application process for the Germany's Opportunity Card in 2026. Now, I will ask you something. Go through the checklist in which I've mentioned earlier and tell me if you honestly qualify. Comment below. Tell me where you are in the process. Are you just starting your research? Are you already saving for your block accounts? Or are you waiting for your visa approval? I want to know. And if this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. I post every week about life in Germany, learning German, students' life, and everything in between. And everything an international person needs to know about building life here in Germany. And if you want to know more about the Opportunity Card, I have made a video about it. Cheers and see you in the next one.